In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see average open times Klaviyo. If you are trying to understand when your subscribers are most likely to open your emails, the Smart Send Time report can be very helpful. In this tutorial, you will navigate to the right place in Klaviyo and open the report that shows average open timing based on how Klaviyo predicts engagement. First, click Campaigns in the left sidebar menu. Take a moment to look at the left side of your screen where the navigation panel is located. When you click Campaigns, you are telling Klaviyo that you want to work with email campaign information. This matters because the Smart Send Time report is part of the campaign reporting tools, not the account settings area. Next, once you are on the Campaigns section, click the Options drop-down button at the top right. You will usually find this control near the top bar of the page, often aligned with other view or filter settings. If you do not see it immediately, scan the top right area carefully. The Options drop-down is where Klaviyo groups additional reporting views, so opening it is the key step that gives you access to the Smart Send Time report. After you open the Options drop-down, you are ready to choose the correct report. In the drop-down menu, select View Smart Send Time report. This option is specifically designed to show you details related to Smart Send Time, including the way Klaviyo estimates and analyzes send time performance. Selecting this exact report ensures you will see the metrics you are looking for, rather than a general performance overview. Now, after clicking View Smart Send Time report, wait for the report to load. Depending on your account size and the amount of data, it may take a few seconds to display. When it finishes loading, you should see the report interface with the relevant Smart Send Time information. At this point, your goal is to confirm that you are viewing the correct report page. Look for the Smart Send Time wording or the report layout that matches Smart Send Time reporting, because that confirms you are in the right view. Once you see the report on screen, you can review the average open timing details that Klaviyo provides. Take your time reading through the displayed results and notice how the report is organized. The data is meant to help you understand typical open behavior across your audience, which can guide future send time choices and performance analysis. If there are filters or date ranges on the report page, use them only if you need to focus on a specific time frame that matches your recent campaigns. If you find yourself needing to adjust what you are viewing, you can return to the Options drop-down again and select the same report view to ensure you are not accidentally looking at a different report type. Staying consistent with this selection helps prevent confusion, especially if you frequently switch between different campaign reports. That is it. You clicked Campaigns in the left sidebar menu, then opened the Options drop-down button at the top right, and finally selected View Smart Send Time report. Now you have access to the Smart Send Time reporting data, including the average open timing information you need. That covers everything you need to know.